new devices or new phones. Maybe I'll take care of all these. Oh my gosh. Okay. These are the pre-made signs, and all that we do is mark for what department, what day, and put them organized here before I do the other signs. All this is organized. I got the pre-made signs done, and now I need to do the no pre-made signs so people can have everything ready. And since I'm off tomorrow, I don't have to worry about anything. We got all the signs done. Now I have to go to Cashier and Garden. Oh, this God is Friday and everything is looking out more organized. Let's clean all this area. It's not bad, and then I will organize my area too. Everything is clean, and I have my planner. That is when I organize. I have some cookies for doggies. Have my water, my charger for my phone because my phone is old and it's dying all the time. On my planner, let me show you what I have. Before I do, I need to sweep. I see what we have. So many leaves to take care, and then I will do that. Let's sweep, and maybe if I can, I will go all the way down there to sweep, and all the way down there to sweep. Look at these flowers, so pretty. Everything sweep and clean. Let's go do this. Doing my planner, and now I'm checking for the next week things that I need to add for my week, and then I will just keep working here and looking for some extra things to do. Garden is getting really quiet slowly. Well, the sun runs the people too. After having some of my papers done, it's time that I do some of the sodas. The coolers are very empty, and it's a way to begin my physical workout. Sunday in the morning, I'm waiting for somebody to unlock my gate. I have everything ready here. This is my new little box, so I can have everything here, from cookies for the dogs, some sweets for childs and stuff like that. For things clean, everything that I can. I have boxes to put away and all this mess, so that's good. This dark place clean, everything clean, and I open the window so it doesn't look so dark. I also take care of cleaning here. How you doing? In this area we have the paint boxes that we use for plants for it's like recycling there. So if a customer needs, we just give, and it comes in different size. Here I have my little toolbox that has, medicine box that has candies for the kids, treats for the dogs. I have my colors, my charger, Kleenex, and a hand lotion. Sometimes touching too much the boxes, it makes it feel dry. So here is clean. I have my water. I put some of the treats there, and the tree is changing the colors so far here. Look at these. It used to be so vibrant colors, and now it's all like yellow and orange. So cute. The flowers. Those flowers are so pretty. I will have to do some shopping. Oh, and then they changed this little decoration. Now it's a lot of fire pits. and a lot of mums. For Monday, I have kitchen table, clean sink, counters and surfaces, wipe down appliance, and a scoop. Let's do that part. Bring my bag with whatever I have. Of course, select things, and I honestly don't have enough to do laundry. It's a waste of water, so today it will not happen the laundry. I still feel we'll wait until tomorrow, but I also bring this for get some of my tomatoes while I'm watering, and pepperoni. Oh, it's turning light. Oh, let me show you what I got from Home Depot. I got some mums, potting soil, and auger. I got these for my plants. I'll work on that. Another of these, and some bulbs. Okay, let's go to get flowers. Hello, and today is Tuesday, and my task for this day, of course, make bed, clean toilet, water the plants, and laundry. Early in the morning, I did my cleaning of the toilet. I arrived like an hour ago from work, and I was really tired, but now I feel better, and I will go to make my bed. I will get everything for the laundry. While I'm getting my laundry, I will also get all the garbage so I can bring downstairs and put in the bins and shred the papers. Oh, I shred the papers and I select the papers that are good for my composter and the ones that go to the recycler. So that helps me to also take care while I'm doing the garbage. So I bring my composter items to the big composter or composter tumbler, and then while I check if I have enough to do laundry, I will water the plants. And the last two that I will do will be clean the windows and sweep and mop, because in that way, when after I clean the windows, today is the living room, what I'm doing, I clean only one window from the living room. The next week I'll clean another one. Why I'm doing this, it's not a lot of windows, but in the time that I was with a lot of depression and everything, I really stopped doing a lot of my cleaning, and now I'm being more dedicated on that. So some of them need a lot of cleaning, and I didn't want to overwhelm myself with this. Every week I clean one of those, and then in some point when all of them are clean in a way that is easy to clean every day, it will be just clean all the windows in that day. I hope it makes sense. It's so sunny. Okay, plans for today: clean this, declutter, scoop, and clean windows in the den. So I will pick, I think I will pick this window today. Yep, that will be the window to clean.